coming into your first day of the fellowship. You're nervous, you don't know what to expect. You walk into this room just filled with people you don't know, but they're just like you, they're ambitious, they're leaders, and it's almost like a family.
It's really the oldest and most established fellowship program for PharmDs. There's over 750 alumni that have graduated from the program, so no matter what sponsor company a fellow is at, they are bound to run into a past fellow of the program.
The alumni for this program are really invaluable and have really helped all of us along the way. Within each of our partner companies, there are so many past fellows there that are able to reach out and help us, mentor us, and guide us along the way.
Through Rutgers, I've had a lot of leadership experience through leading our professional development days, really refining my presentation skills, communication skills.
When we started this program 30 years ago, we had no idea it would become so successful. Over the years, our program has given tremendous opportunities to pharmacists who are interested in pursuing a career in the pharmaceutical industry by allowing them to work in various highly specialized areas.
Whether it's clinical development, marketing, regulatory, health economics and outcomes research, product development, and so on. A graduate of this fellowship program really has the beginning skills to work across all those particular areas.
What drew me to the Rutgers Fellowship is the fact that I knew that a lot of the fellows went above and beyond after their fellowship. I knew this was the route that would really accelerate my path in industry and really bridge that career path.
Challenge yourself. Do something that you wouldn't normally do. Do something difficult because it helps build character, helps develop you both as a person as well as your career.
In addition to the hands-on experience that I've had at Novartis, those experiences at Rutgers will definitely accelerate my career path in the future.
One of the biggest things that drew me to the Rutgers Fellowship Program were these scholarly activities. So in addition to getting a really fantastic and deep understanding of the pharmaceutical industry, I also had the full academic experience open to me. I was able to teach classes, I was able to mentor students, take on that interaction and help them grow their careers. I was able to do research through Rutgers and present that at a national conference, which was an experience that really supported me and really helped me grow professionally, but was also extremely insightful as a fellow to be able to see the academic part of being a postdoctoral training program in addition to the industry training program.
I feel pride in the program. I think it's really important, and we all want to see each other succeed. And at the end of your year or 2 years, you're going to have people fighting for you to get a job. You're going to have people that really want you to be placed somewhere that you're happy and that you can contribute to a team.
Operating in a corporate environment is a totally different set of skills from what you learn in the clinical setting and in the university setting, and the fellowship really provides those soft skill development during the professional development days.
We get to learn about the different functional areas in the pharmaceutical industry, as well as bring in guest speakers that will help to train us to be better rounded individuals, both in the professional world, but also in the personal dealings and networking opportunities that we have.
For me to get this exposure in corporate affairs, working in policy advocacy, working in launch readiness and competitive intelligence is really a huge benefit.
The folks that come to the Rutgers program really want to be the best of the best. And when they get into the Rutgers program, they become part of a much larger family, a professional family, an academic family, and a personal family that will nurture them in a very highly charged environment where they can really grow outside their boundaries and continue to add to the quality that is the Rutgers Industry Fellowship Program.